Here, can you hold that for a second?
Yeah.
I gotta fix my helmet. I had to turn the camera on. Awesome.
You sniping?
Sniping and
Straight through here, I cut a path.
yeah.
You can run straight there. You can't go to the road, but you take a left, you can get up behind it, there's some logs.
Yeah, I see
Laying
it.
right there on a trench. Also just to the left of that.
The only thing I'm worried, we're doing so long of matches that we're going to be in the middle so much.
Okay. That's what, yeah, fit it for capture the flag.
Yeah.
We'll probably switch it up, yeah.
Yeah.
We gotta get a flag first.
Yeah.
I've got ropes set up in 3 different spots.
We can use the Samajas that we have out.
One right over there.
We got gray, that green one, and I'm pretty sure there's another one.
Yeah, Tristan's got one.
Does your thing not go fog up at all, Lance?
It loaded a little bit than the last time.
Oh,
I have a different lens that doesn't, but it's
just time to time.
smoked lens, and I don't need it right now. Depends on how hard I'm breathing. I am only trying this match out to see for close quarter, because as long as it's all-star.
Ready! Alright, let's get this shit started.
Go. Let's go on the road, guys.
Blake, where is he?
Cage over there.
Where?
To your right. Behind that like little tree thing.
Fucking gun. Yo! Yo, my gun messed up! Fucking gun. Dooley, can you come see what the hell's wrong with my gun?
What?
Can you come see what the hell's wrong with this gun? I think I blew the battery in it.
If you need an extra battery, you got an extra one.
Where?
Right here.
No, it's a stick battery.
It is?
Yeah.
Is it not firing?
No. It was firing a few seconds ago, but not anymore. Dude, if you can make that fit. Oh, dude, where'd my Samaj fall off at? Damn it. Oh, there it is. Okay, I see it. You're not going to be able to make that fit.
Nope.
Damn it. Alright,
Just hold
guess
on
I'm
to
using a
this shit
sniper.
like-
Jesus Christ, dude.
Like that.
Scared the shit out of me, but then I won't have my sight on it. Yeah, dude, my battery blew. The AK?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I know.
I thought you were using a sniper.
Well, I had the AK with me, though.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Oh, purple.
Alright. Where is he?
They're all by the home base.
Tell me if they get close enough to shoot me. Oh wait, I see his ass. He's close. I gotta retreat some. They're just shooting to the left. What?
I got on him. They started keep shooting at me. I'm like, what's going on?
Yeah, they do that.
Michael's on there. Oh, wow.
Oh shit!
I'm pretty sure you got hit, Tom.
Oh, watch out.
Get him, Mark. Get him. Get him.
Fuck, dude. My fucking goggles are fogging up. I need a fucking assault rifle.
Yeah, it was.
Who?
Tristan. Hey, we got another one on the. We got another one on the left over here. We got one over here. You see him? You'll pop up. You want me to draw fire?
No.
You see him?
No.
He's behind that plywood. You see?
Oh,
You want me to go draw him out?
Not yet. Let me get eyes on first.
Just don't shoot me. Alright, man. We gotta go out, dude. Lance is all out there all alone.
Where's that?
He's on the right. You want me to go draw him? You see him?
No.
Alright, yeah, come on.
Dude, my
Look up, look up, look up. He's up there.
My fucking goggles are fogging.
Go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go.
Anti-fog my ass. Pop your ass up.
Extra, man. Wipe it?
Wind it.
Oh, okay.
Lance, who is that right there?
To the left there?
Yeah, that you were shooting
I
at.
don't know. It's not Tristan, it's not Spencer.
I got him in my fucking sights, dude.
It's not our guy, no, no.
Oh yeah,
Ours are all to the right here.
yeah. If he books it, I got his ass.
I'm gonna try and flush him out.
All right, here he comes. Hey, he's up. I can't get him.
Huh?
He's trying to aim at you, but from the position he's at, I can't get him.
He's getting close.
Who is?
They're real close.
Be careful. Hey, lay down suppressive fire on him.
Oh, hit. That's Cade. That's who that is.
Really?
There he goes.
Kate, I know I just hit your ass.
Cade, you got hit.
I heard that shit hit against this
Yeah, I heard
jacket.
it.
Cade! Cade! Cade, I heard that bullet hit your jacket. Yo, how close are they?
Hey, it's not like 4 times.
Should I just run straight through the middle? Yeah, I'm about to just run straight through the middle.
Anybody over there?
Cade's on the left behind that plywood.
Oh, I ain't worried about
Alright, you guys hear me?
I shot his ass, he didn't call hit.
Alright, I said shoot him. Hey, guys,
Yeah.
look. I'm gonna run right through the middle. And whoever shoots at me, open your goddamn gun.
Dude, this fuck.
Yeah, it does. If I had an AK, this would be better.
You guys ready?
Cade's moving right. Yo, how close are they?
What?
How close are they?
Wow, they're pretty close.
Pretty damn close. Oh, that was fucking close. You heard him, right? Alright. Bearing.
I think I've seen him.
Hey, he's in that base with the cutout in it.
Give me my script. Gotcha. I'll see.
Like, there's a fucking box cut out in it. Trust you.
Again, guys.
Why?
Huh?
Wait, what'd you say?
I'm about to run out there again. I scared the living crap out of Tristan.
How?
Ooh, Lance. Get down.
Fuck it. Yang! Yang! Yang, where are you? Did you fix my gun? Or are you coming into the game?
What?
What are you doing?
Hold on to the battery like this.
How the fuck am I gonna use my sight and shit?
Iron sights.
Ah, fuck. Here, set it up here, or hand it to me. A fucking last case scenario.
Who have you got now?
I fucking shot what's his face, but he didn't call out. Cade.
Oh.
You know how the jacket makes a distinctive whenever you hit him? We all heard it. He didn't call it. Alright, I see Yang. Does your brother have the walkie-talkies, or do you have one?
I don't have any.
Damn.
There's someone, I see someone up there.
Yeah. Those are my team, though. The one that darted to the left is theirs, though. Fuck. Fucking watching Yang, dude. That's the funniest shit ever. Thing is, dude, they're too fucking far away for me to shoot at anyone.
Yeah.
Damn it, dude, that song stuck in my head.
Let me use the AK.
Huh? Huh?
Let me use the AK.
Yeah, I'm gonna go use it. So. Alright.
I just hold it on the mag, yeah. Make this shit work.
Right, dude. Or fucking something along some lines of this shit. and I'll just keep my sniper back here in case.
Alright, I'll sit on it.
Guys, where are they? Owen, where are they? Where are they? Oh shit, dude. I'm getting way too fucking lucky with this shit. Blake, is there anyone left? No, I'm not hit.
I got a gun now, dude.
Who's?
I'm fucking scared.
Dooley.
Yeah.
You playing?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see the sniper.
Alright, let me see the AK there.
Alright, come over here. Is it cocked and ready? Look, someone got my target. Watch left.
Right side.
Where is he? Where is he?
Huh?
The guy that you were shooting at, where is he?
What?
Not you, your brother.
Come on.
Fucking goggles.
Respawn.
Lance, where was he? Wind up your mag. Yeah, wind it up. There's nothing coming out. What the fuck, goggles?
That's the mid cap I gave you. It doesn't work. You're out.
Yeah, took it back. I put it on there.
Yeah, how are we going? I'm about out of ammo.
Yo, what's going on to the left? What's going on to the left?
They're opening up on, I don't know who.
So it's our guy shooting?
Yeah.
Alright, good. What the fuck? Blake. Fuck. Yo, who's got a buddy mag?
Boys, you got extra ammo? Huh? We got ammo? I might.
Yo, is this your gun?
What?
Is this yours?
What?
Is this yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got ammo.
I randomly fucking found it. Oh shit.
I got them.
Really?
Yeah, I got action and interest in.
Dude, if you give me the small one, I might just rush with you.
Have fun. I'm taking my hat off. Way too fucking hot.
Get that ammo.
Yeah. I only got one mag.
We're all out of ammo. We're all out.
Fucking
I
like
have
blind
like
firing this
4
shit
bullets
like
left.
a
They roll. What?
I'm blind firing this shit like a Haji.
Oh, dude, so was I.
That's my scavenging.
Who was? Wait, are we quitting?
Game over? Yeah.
Aw.
Alright.
I was about to start rushing with you, bro.
I'm pissing and we're gonna speak about it.